For question 12, I'm given that a population of insects starts in year n. We're going to write that as p to the n, or pn. And then in the next year, so n plus 1, it would be pn plus 1. That's just to explain how this formula now works. It's saying next year's population will be this year's population times by an amount, which we're told is 1.13. In A, I'm asked to find how many years it takes to double the population. So here's how I'm going to do it. I'm going to start by choosing a starting point, P0. So 0 years, how many have been? And there's loads of different choices, and I'm going to choose one that I think keeps it as simple as possible. I'm going to set it as 1. I know that biologically this no longer makes sense because obviously it's going to be hard for one insect to reproduce, but it's going to make it really, really simple because once the population goes past 2, we know it has doubled. So if I've set P0 as 1, I can then put 1 on my calculator, press equals just to save it. I'm now going to do 1.13 times by, and I'm going to put into my calculator AMS, which obviously is going to give me 1 at this point. And this is going to give me P1, and it's going to be 1.13. So after 1 year, it's 1.13. Now, because I've used the answer button, and I've got 1.13 times answer in there, my answer is now 1.13. I can just press equals again to go to year 2. I'm going to get 1.2769. And again, I'm going to get 1.442. And again, I'm going to get P4 1.6304. And again, I'm going to get for P5 1.842. And again, in P6, I'm going to get 2.0819. And this shows me that, remember we said at what point it had doubled, and the reason we used 1, well, this is now more than 2, so I can say 2.0819 is greater than 2, therefore it doubles after 6 years. Let's put my 6 in there. The value of k actually increases year on year, not just 1.13. So how does this affect? Well, I've been multiplying by it, and if I increase the amount I've been multiplying by it, it's going to get larger quicker. So we can say the number of years theoretically is going to decrease, but what if it only increases 1.13 to 1.13000001, 1.13.000002. So it might not necessarily increase massively. So I'm going to use the word may to decrease the number of years, as using may basically lets me stay safe from if they have given me a fringe example.